Now, modern therapies say, if any experience remains incomplete, then it becomes a hangover. This is a new insight in the modern psychology, but it is nothing new as far as the Eastern psychology is concerned. If you live some experience totally, you are finished with it. It never accumulates in you. If you live only half, then the unlived part goes on hankering to be lived. Whole psychoanalysis, psychodrama, primal therapy are based on this idea. What is psychotherapy? Basically helping you so that you can live unlived experiences of the past or half-lived experiences of the past again. Creating a context in which you can again live those moments which have remained incomplete. Once they are complete, once you can put a full point to them, they are finished. You are free of them. Remember this as a very fundamental law. Any experience that is complete, you are finished with it. It leaves no karma. It creates no karma. It creates no trace. It leaves no trace in you.